You can't imagine how effective it is to use banana peel to remove skin stains. And not only that, but it also reduces wrinkles and expression lines. Let's cut a banana peel into small pieces. The banana peel contains proline, an amino acid that is essential for the production of collagen in the body. It also contains vitamin 100, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin. To use a potato. Do we peel it? The potato contains enzymes like tyrosinase, which helps inhibit the production of melanin, which is the pigment that gives color to the skin. We cut the potato into small pieces. We put the banana peel and potato in a pot. 7.77 fluid ounces of water. I would love for you to tell me in the comments where you are writing from and what recipes you would like me to share. Place on low heat and bring to a boil. The vitamins and minerals in the banana peel and potato lighten the skin, eliminate age spots, and help reduce wrinkles. When the potatoes can already be mashed with a spoon, we remove them from the heat. Now we're going to blend everything. I would love for you to try this cream and then come back to tell me how it went in the comments. We blend everything until the mixture becomes creamy. We remove the mixture with a mesh strainer. The base for our creams is now ready. We divide it into two parts to prepare two creams with different combinations and ingredients. You can choose the one you prefer or make both to see which one works best for you. For the first cream, we are going to use a teaspoon of almond oil. The citric acid in lemon juice has a gentle exfoliating effect that removes dead cells from the skin's surface, allowing new tissues, including collagen, to renew more easily. We add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. We apply it on hands, face, neck and neckline. We apply a good amount and let it act for 20 minutes. Then we wash the skin with warm water. Repeat this recipe twice a week and your skin will be clear and radiant, looking younger. To the other part, we are going to add a teaspoon of argan oil. A teaspoon of aloe gel can be commercial or natural, extracted from the plant. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and to visit my Facebook and Instagram page. We mix everything very well. Apply this cream to your face, neck, décolletage and hands. Let it act for 20 minutes and then wash with warm water. You can apply it a minimum of 3 times a week. If you like this video, give it a like, comment on it and share it with whoever you want. Always do an allergy test before using it, apply it to a small area of the skin and wait 30 minutes.